Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Magic Ring on your HONOR Magic 8 Lite smartphone. First of all, swipe down the control center on your phone and find Magic Ring tile in here. It should be at the bottom of your screen, but if you cannot see it, then tap on the edit icon at the top and select Show Magic Ring. Then tap to enable Magic Ring, and then you're gonna have to set it up. So let's do it together. Tap Try Now. And then here we'll see the list of permissions that this feature requires. Let's tap Next. Here we see the next list of permissions. Let's agree to that too. Then we're gonna have to enter our HONOR ID and password in here. But as you can see, I also have some sort of update, and I'm just gonna take care of it real quick. So just to make sure that everything works well, then I recommend you doing the same if you receive the same update on your device's screen. Okay, now let's get back to the previous menu, or let's just close this one. And now we're gonna have to enter either our HONOR ID and password into these fields, or I prefer to just log in with Google Assistant since we have such option, just to be quick. Okay, and now I'm gonna have to enter the password, so give me a moment. Okay, and once the password is entered, we'll be able to adjust the HONOR Connect feature. And here we'll be able to choose which services on this device we want to synchronize with our with the services on other HONOR devices that we have. We also can enable or disable gesture in here and check the other devices around us. Now, if you want to synchronize your devices list, make sure to sign in to other devices around you with the same HONOR account that you used on this smartphone, and tap right here to enable Magic Ring. Then tap Enable, and this way you'll be able to check all the devices around you. And once you tap on one of the devices, you'll be able to choose what you want to do with this device. As you can see, we even get some instructions on our way. So I think from here everything is more or less understandable. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.